Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that you are gonna be excited for, okay? Because this is gonna be really pleasing to you, and it's actually very effective. Yeah, you are going to be using this 3 times, and the 3 times you're going to be using it, you are going to be saying wow to it. Yeah, so if you want to know what all of it is all about, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me walk you through into this video. Now the first ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be aloe vera. Okay guys, so you can actually use the fresh aloe vera, or you use the 100% aloe vera, and it's actually very effective. So aloe vera helps for sunburn, irritated skin, and it also helps to get rid of age-related problems. So what we're gonna do now is to get in aloe vera into this bowl. And this is it. Now the next ingredient we're gonna be needing is yogurt, and you need an unsweetened yogurt for this remedy, guys. Yogurt is great in moisturizing the skin. It contains lactic acid, which helps leave the skin really youthful and young, and it also helps to remove wrinkles, fine lines and pigmentations. So I'm gonna be scooping in about 2 tablespoons of this into this aloe vera gel, and then I'll have to give it a stir. And usually this is what I get when I mix aloe vera and yogurt. Okay, so after that is done, then I'm gonna be putting in my honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing agent to the skin. It helps to let product get into the skin by minimizing the pores, and it also helps to maintain an even clear skin, okay, removing large and open pores. So I'm going to be putting in my honey into the bowl, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, now the next ingredient which we're going to be needing is papaya. Papaya is a great vitamin C agent, and it also contains vitamin A. It helps to give you that younger looking skin, and it also helps to minimize the pores, making it look really smooth. Okay, the thing is that when you have a large pores, your skin is actually not going to look smooth. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting just a few of this pawpaw. We actually call it pawpaw, but it is also called papaya. So I'm going to be removing all of the seeds. At the same time, I'm going to be peeling it all up. So now I would have to be cutting it into pieces. And then also I'm gonna be needing to use banana. Now banana is a great moisturizing remedy. It helps to make your skin look really youthful, and it also helps to maintain a great and a glowing skin, removing dark spots, and it also gets rid of age spots. So we're gonna be peeling the banana also. And now I'm gonna be cutting the banana in pieces. I would have to be putting it into this pawpaw bowl. Then I'll grab a blender. So I'll have to be transferring this into a blender. And then I would go blend this, and I will be right back. So I'm done blending, and I'm gonna be putting that into this bowl. And this is how it looks like, yeah. So I'm going to be transferring this into the mix now. This is the pawpaw and the papaya and the banana. And now would have to give this a good stir. Mix it up really good. And this is how it is. Really great. Now use this 3 times and you're going to be looking younger than you are, guys. Okay, so let me go show you how I'm going to be applying this and how amazingly it's going to be on my skin. Okay guys, so for an anti-aging remedy, you would have to first of all wash your face, dab your face. Your face has to be wet, just like mine right now. It feels wet, so that when I apply this ingredient, it's going to get into my skin. And then the second thing you're going to do is that you're going to put in the treatment into a refrigerator. You have to cool it down, just like mine. You can see how it is. I kept it for like 1 hour thereabouts, yeah, into the refrigerator, and it's cooled down really well. Now I'll have to stir it all up again so that I'll be able to apply it. Okay, so this is how it is. All right, now it has actually mixed really well, and now I am gonna be applying it on my face. Okay, so this is an anti-aging remedy mask. Oh my god, it feels really cool, and it also feels really good, guys. Oh my god, OMG. Oh my god, this is really smooth. It's going to make my skin super duper smooth. Okay, so you have to go try this out. You apply a generous amount of this. Okay, so after you apply, you can equally just apply down to your neck. That's if you have dot issue, if you have a double jawline and double chin, you can apply down to your neck, and it's going to be very helpful. Okay, so after doing that, you know, there's this thing about natural remedy. There's this thing about natural homemade remedy. You have to scrub it, okay? Because there's always a dead skin cells in your skin every day you go out. So every day you go out, you're exposed to dust and all of that stuff, and heat and the weather and everything. So you're being exposed to all of those things. So your skin has actually grabbed so much dust. Yeah, for you to rub this, you have to scrub it out. Now scrubbing it out is going to help you to remove all of those excessive dust, oil, you know, and all of that stuff that's blocking your pores. So when you do this, it's going to unblock or unclog your pores, and your pores is going to feel clean, feel really healthy, because unhealthy pores is unhealthy skin. Okay, if you have an healthy pores, which is there's nothing blocking it, hair is getting into it, like it's getting all of the oxygen it needs, okay, nothing is blocking it, you are going to be having an healthy skin. Okay, so this is how it is. It feels really smooth and I'm loving it. Anytime I apply this remedy, it feels really good. Okay, so you scrub it gently, and after you scrub, then you can go wash it off after like 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes thereabout. You can go wash this off, and your skin is going to be really glowing and really supple and soft. So remember to use a toilet soap, and do not go overboard about your cream. Even if you want to tone up your skin, do not go overboard, yeah, and you're going to be having a flawless skin. So that's it, guys. It is really superb. I love the feel of my skin, and it does the job. It gets rid of dark spots, pimples, pigmentation, age spots, wrinkles and fine lines and all of that, and it's so amazing. Okay, and you have to give it time to work. All right, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I would see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye, guys.